Man, oh man, is it dark outside.
That's right, guys. It is 12:34 in the morning. I was working at the rest color today. Still got my uniform on, actually. What's that over there? What's that device? I don't think I've ever seen it before. Oh my gosh, it's the Sanitaire. Huh. It's been a while. That's right, guys. Time to do a vacuum video at 12:35 in the morning. Why? Because I have a drum lesson today. And I need to clean the basement. Partially because our Vizio TV, I don't know if you guys have seen it or not, some piece went and the TV just went black, and it would turn on, but it wouldn't do anything. So they ordered a part for it, came in a couple days ago, and the part was bad. So it's gonna probably be another week before we get our upstairs TV back. So my parents are gonna be using this one, which is an older widescreen TV. And, whoa! You guys, no, don't look at the ugliness. And this one is done better, in my opinion. And actually, I have it on video 5, which is just as good as the one upstairs. But, it's a good TV. I like it. It's the Sony's. But no, guys, we're going to be vacuuming. We're going to be using the Sanitaire. We're going to be doing the basement vacuuming. I've been vacuuming the basement on a regular basis. Got a lot of trash to clean up. This is the area that we walk the most, so I keep it clean. I actually vacuumed the drum room out the other day. There's a drum ring on the floor still. Here's the drum set room. I need to make a drum video soon. But yeah, I got a lesson tomorrow, so I had cleaned the set out, got the carpet nice and clean. I did not make a video just because, frankly, I was really tired, I wanted to get it done and go to bed. And check this out. Here's the old brush roll. Yep, no longer on. It just stopped spinning. This is the new belt, by the way. It was going, and then it just stopped. And so when I went to go turn on the Sanitaire the other day, or the one time, not the other day, I've had this has been off for about a month. When I went to go turn on the Sanitaire, it sounded like something was jammed. And then it slowly started getting up to its normal sound. Well, I didn't think anything of it. And then it did it again. It kept doing it when I would turn it on. So what I ended up doing was I flipped it over, turned it on, and the brush roll would not spin. The belt was spinning, and the motor was spinning. The motor was fine. It had nothing to do with the motor. The motor piece was spinning. The belt was trying to get this to spin, but it wouldn't spin. And the belt, even though it is old, it still has some life left in it. I mean, it's a good belt. I mean, I have the new brush roll on it, and it still works fine. But I'm keeping this on standby, and so I know where it is. And since I don't use it every day like a janitor would, I don't go through belts as fast. But I'm finally, and it would just give off this horrible smell. I know one of my friends, she had a similar problem, not with a Sanitaire, but you know what? I was like, you know what? I went up to the vacuum store, and the video I just released, driving in a thunderstorm video, was the second part of it, where I got a new cord holder, a lot better than the old one. I still have the redneck bag holder with the metal piece hoodie. I'm gonna see if I can glue the old one back on or together and just kind of use that. I don't know. But no, I have the new Viper Groomer 2 brush roll on it. Works great. I love it. I actually took it over to my church, tried it out there, even though we have 2 NSS Pacers. I want to try it on different carpets. My church has a really kind of low carpet. I just kind of wanted to see how it would do. And it did really well. Now, it sounds like it's straining a lot, but it's really not. Now, if you kind of leave it in one spot, I mean, that's not good on the carpet or the vacuum. You kind of got to go, and then you just don't... I mean, I keep it low because I don't vacuum frequently. I maybe do it like once a week. I will sometimes keep it up higher, especially for down here though, when stuff just gets ground in and then the carpet upstairs is so old and worn down. I just like to keep it low because it gets the stuff out easier along with the Bissell. The Bissell I keep down as low as it will go because I just want to, because the carpet's just so old and worn down. You know, you want just to get everything up. I mean, the car does fine. Don't get me wrong. I'm just saying, on a height adjustment vacuum, I like to keep them low because it just gets everything up. Excuse me. I'm still eating dinner. I had to do my Flashback Friday post, and I was watching some YouTube on my phone. So yeah, so what we're going to do is I'm going to kind of straighten up the basement. And then we're going to vacuum, and I'm going to do a full basement vacuum, and I'm actually, and this is not official yet, so don't get all hyped up, I'm going to look into renting one of those Bissell big green carpet cleaners, and really giving this basement carpet a nice clean to it. Because this has flooded twice, and we did have a carpet cleaner, I think, come through the first time. The second time wasn't as bad, so we didn't. But it's been a couple of years since we've had this carpet cleaned. The upstairs carpet has been different. It's been cleaned more. But we're really going... I wanted to do upstairs, but we know with the cats and everything... as it dried, I don't want them to get, I know my mom's kind of hesitant, so I am gonna rent a Bissell. No offense to Rug Doctor, but I just think a Rug Doctor, you know, there's a clip from Frasier, the TV show, I don't know if you guys have ever seen it, where Daphne the maid is using this carpet cleaner, the Dirt Scourge 2000. I'm afraid, like, if I used a Rug Doctor down here, I would just be going over the same spot, like, a bunch of times. Because this carpet, I don't know how dirty this carpet is. I mean, there's stains. I mean, I just want something that can get the job done. And Rug Doctor, I'm not saying Rug Doctor is bad in the least. I just want to use a Bissell one. Plus, this is... I don't know. That's just my opinion. And plus, I've been watching the things on YouTube, and the rental Rug Doctors just don't do the job. Now, the one that my friend Joe Wheeler uses, that one does a good job. If I had one of those, I would use it. But I just want to use a Bissell, get the carpet nice and clean, get the job done. We really kind of clean it out with the Sanitaire. So, yeah. So what we're going to do now, guys, is I'm going to clean the basement. It's really not so bad. And I say that because this, in my opinion, is needing to be picked up. I can pick this up, no problem. Then we're going to buzz around with the Sanitaire, get that done, and, yeah, go to bed. And then, now you guys are probably wondering, why have I been making, focus, come on. It's because I'm under light, yeah, it's probably that. Now you're probably wondering, why you won't, oh, there we go. Why haven't I been making vacuum videos as much? Well, I just don't feel like my other videos have been giving many views compared to the vacuum videos. And I just kind of wanted my other ones to get some more views, and to show that I'm not always posting vacuum videos. I mean, I will, I'm not going to stop them. But I just don't feel like my other videos are as popular, and I would really like it if you guys actually went and checked it out. get some more views on those, and I will continue to make vacuum videos. Plus, to be frankly honest, with the fact that I do like 8 to 12 lawns a week, I'm like busy a lot. And so I don't really have time to vacuum, and when I do, it's usually in the evening and I'm too tired to get the camera out. And plus, we have a cleaning service that comes every other week and does the upstairs, so they vacuum the upstairs. And so I will occasionally do it. Sorry, my knee is itching. I got like eaten up by mosquitoes last night. I was out mowing. I was mowing along the woods and I got bit by something. Probably a mosquito. But no, I will be making more vacuum videos, guys. Do not worry. That's not coming to an end. But do go and check out my other videos. And actually, in all honesty, I do want my other videos to get more views, but I've been really bad about uploading. I mean, it's January and I haven't even uploaded the Indy 500 video yet. It's still on my computer waiting to be uploaded. Well, actually, I lied. I uploaded it, but YouTube had like some spaz out and it said I duplicated something, blah, blah, blah. So I have to redo it because the Even Grow video messed up and I had to re-upload that. So I'm going to do either Sunday or Monday. I'm just going to do a massive upload as they're uploading, start editing, boom, ba boom, ba boom, ba boom, and get those up. I will get these videos up. I mean, I forgot to do my June lawn cutting video. Luckily, it's still, it's still close enough to June. I'll still do the June lawn cutting video. And so there's still a lot I gotta do. I mean, I've been bad about uploading. I'm not gonna lie. I usually say, oh, I'm gonna upload today. Oh, I'm gonna upload today. Never happens. So, I do apologize, guys. But a lot of videos are going to be coming. And I'm going to probably get a lot of comments saying, when's the next vacuum video? I want to get the videos I haven't uploaded first. Let me reword that. I want to get the videos that I haven't uploaded yet up first. Then I'll get these videos, like the one I'm doing now, up. Because I'm done like holding off. I need to get those up. So, and I gotta do it. So, but no, I'm gonna start cleaning now. I would do a time lapse, but my phone is almost full. I need to go through and just get all the stuff onto like my Google Drive. Get it up on there, and then I'll have some more free space. Probably because I do so many like Vine videos. And this, I use my camera for other things, like, for Even Grow, and for other things. Other things. I have a lot of photos on there. Probably because I go through iFunny so much, and save, like, every funny photo I see. What the heck is that? Is that a bug or a stain? And by the way, that's a coffee stain. That's one of the stains I want to get up. But no, we are going to be cleaning the basement. And I bet you, there's all the, I went rail fanning, that's all my camera gear. Kind of fell over. I don't know if you guys have ever seen this. I used to have a RoboVac. And it's a Jeff Gordon one too. It's been featured once. The brush roll keeps slipping. I'm going to look into that. The Soil Sweeper and the Eureka have been doing well. I have not been using them as much. I will soon. So yeah. Okay, let's do this. There's my dinner. I need to finish eating it. There's some... I actually had a bag from the lock-in. And these were some long pants I took. I never ended up wearing them. I was just... because I actually stayed awake for the whole Christmas lock-in. And let me tell you something. You know, I was struggling to stay awake during that, and like when we got picked up in the morning, you know, I was running on adrenaline. The moment I got into the car, I was just struggling to stay awake. So I never even needed them. I actually wanted to see if I could stay awake for a full lock-in, which I did, so I was happy. So, okay. I'm gonna fart, and then we're gonna head on to the vacuum video. So here's the fart. Kind of a weak one, but well. And, yeah. Let's get
Okay, guys, I ended up waiting until this morning to clean. I was more tired than I thought. I started cleaning, and then I'm like, I was slowing down. So I thought, you know what, go to bed, get some sleep, get up a little earlier today, and get this done. In fact, I'm really close to getting done. In fact, I'm going to start vacuuming right now. So, without further ado, let's fire this baby up. We'll set this cord off to the side. We don't need it yet. So we're going to vacuum this part, which there's a little cat toy I made, but I used Sharpie to color it. So, okay, ouch. Okay. Let's do, I want to get a nice camera angle though. We're going to really clean this carpet too. There we go. Might be easier if I get the cord out of the way. There we go. Something I don't have to worry about. Nothing gets the job done. I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. Okay. Now here we go over here. You know what? There's a trash bag, by the way. Okay, let's get ready to do the big area. What's up, guys? Time to vacuum the basement. We got the area cleared out. Let's get it done. We're going to do 2 passes. One is going to be on the higher setting to get the objects up higher. Then we're going to get a nice clean setting. So, got the extension on. Let's do it. First pass is going to be on the lowest. unloaded it. Done this area, so I'm blowing it back nice and slow so I get everything. Okay. Look at that. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? Usually, I mean, I like using or going back slowly because it helps ensure that I get everything, and it gets more out of the carpet. I mean, you can do it the regular, you know, back and forth. I do that, but when I want to do like a really thorough carpet cleaning, just go slowly back and slowly forth on the same pass. And those pesky popcorn kernels, I swear, the Sanitaire, the Bissell, and the Ricard, even that little dirt devil I used to own, they all struggle with that. They do not want to go up in the vacuum. So, now we're going to move this coffee table. Here we go. So, there we go. Let's use my hand this one time. Actually, you know what? I have like a washcloth thing. Oh, that toilet actually shut off. That toilet down here never wants to cut off. It is annoying as hell. Okay, there's not as much debris over here. So I don't think I'll have to do high pass, I'll just do a low pass. I do apologize about the lighting. It seems like when one floodlight goes, they all go. So, let's get her done. That's right, that's like a permanent stain. Don't worry, you're not missing much. And that, my friends, is how you get it done. Now, if I do rent a Bissell big green machine, whatever it's called, if I do this area, how long do you think it's gonna take? I don't want to do like a crappy job, but I might have to do like 3,000 passes. This car Carpet is messy in spots. Messy, messy, messy. Okay. Let's see. The one thing I don't like when I do these nice carpet cleans is it makes the carpet, it's hard to tell where it was. So, where the furniture was, so you kind of have to play a guessing game. Oh, there we go. There we go. Stupid kernel. There it is. Oh my gosh. I don't know, some of these commercials for NASCAR are just hilarious and stupid. Okay. Got this, got that. Got this, that, and the other thing. Dirty plate, dirty plate. Ooh, I got an email. Ouch. Come on. Hurt. Come on. There we go. There. I'll get that stuff in a bit. Okay, let's finish her up. Get her done. Let's see. Yep, okay. That works. There we go. Stay on my hairy arm. But that was awesome. doesn't need to be super clean because the last time I did like a mega clean on it. So I actually vacuumed down here not too long, like a week ago. So these areas don't really, you know what I mean. Whoops. Fail. And that, my friends, is how you get it done. It looks awesome now. It's done. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Sanitaire did a awesome job as usual. Sweet, that stain right there does not come out unless you. I'm probably gonna have to get that with like a if I get that Bissell thing, I'll get it with that, maybe. So, awesome. We are done. That will conclude the vacuum video for this week. So, thank you for watching, guys. There will be more vacuum videos. Don't forget to check out my other videos. And peace out for now.